Everybody's going about saying Ethiopia now produce drones. Is this a lie or is it actually the truth? Well, let's find out. Hello, friends and family. It's your boy Destiny. We're back here to Brony. This want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. If this is the first time joining us on this platform, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below. Well, today we're going to be exploring Ethiopia drone industry. You get me? So let's just see if what we'll be hearing is actually truth or if it's a lie. Well, without wasting too much of time, guys, let's jump into it, guys. Let's go. Let's see how it is.
Ethiopia,
Okay.
the only African nation never colonized,
Facts.
land of kings, mountains, and miracles. Today, this ancient nation is soaring into the future. On wings, it built itself. This is the story of a drone revolution born in Africa's highlands.
Wow. But seriously, this is really, really huge. Like people don't really understand. Most people might go about saying, oh, do we really need this stuff? Seriously, Africa needs to industrialize itself. You see, most of the materials, or let me just say, if not all of it though, of the materials that are used to produce cars, cell phones, and most of the things we use in the world today, most of these raw materials are gotten from Africa. You get me? So let's take the Congo, for example, right? Most of the raw materials that are used to produce phones and everything is got from the Congo, but do they have phone producing factories in the Congo? No. Does the Congo as a nation, right, as a country, have an industry or a company where they produce their own phones? No. Or do these companies that go to buy those raw materials from Congo, shipping it back to their own country for cheap and producing phone, do they have those establishments in the Congo? No. So if Ethiopia, it's like flipping the book right now and say, okay, we want to produce our own drones. Bro, it's really, really nice something. People don't really understand. Let me just try and break it down for you. If Ethiopia start producing drones, right? Neighboring African countries can just cut that route of going to America, going to other places, other Western world to buy these drones and everything they need for protection and everything. It's better they get it from their own neighboring Africa country, thereby boosting the infrastructure of Ethiopia, creating more jobs and adding to the GDP. You get me? So this is just 25 seconds to the video. Let's just keep on going though. But this is just my own 2 cents.
In March 2025, Ethiopia launched something historic. Skywing Aeronautics, a $50 million drone factory,
$50 million. Wow, that's a lot of money, bro. Seriously. That's a
opened
lot
its
of money.
gates in Addis, Ababa.
Okay.
Its mission? Build 1,000 drones every year. For defense, for agriculture, for Africa. These aren't imported machines.
This is what I'm talking about right now, right? It's not all about drones for military protection for the country and everything. It's also because most people don't really understand. When people hear drones, they only think drones are just for for wars and everything, or just to take pictures and everything. No, they also use drones for agriculture. You get me? You use drones for a lot of things. Hearing now that they're going to include the drones for agriculture, drones for the military protection for the country and everything, and they're producing 1,000 drones per year just for a start, because right now they're just starting, right? Like if this keeps on going, maybe other nations can be like, okay, we need drone, please, we need 1,000, we need 500 drones. Before you know, Ethiopia as a nation would be a huge hub for this whole industrialized stuff and everything, thereby creating more jobs. This is really, really nice, man. Seriously, really, 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 really nice.
They are homegrown, equipped with artificial intelligence, surveillance tech, and counter-drone systems. Made by Ethiopians for Ethiopians. Ethiopia is no longer buying its security. It's building it. Skywing has already created over 500 jobs, and it's just the beginning. Thousands more jobs are emerging in logistics, tech, and engineering. Ethiopia is stepping into a $43 billion global drone market. From Addis to Abeba.
A $43 billion drone market. Just like I said before, when you get stuff like this locally from your neighboring African country, it's way cheaper than getting it far. You get me? Like those days where my country, Nigeria, wanted to get fighter jets, they just go to America. We need fighter jets. They tell them, oh, this, if you need so fleet, it's in like the money is in billions, bro. We're not talking about millions here. You get me? So if Ethiopia is producing drones, why do I have to go to another nation to buy drones? Why not just go to my neighboring country, Ethiopia, and be like, okay, I need drone. You get me? Like, how is it going to be? You get me? Maybe we can just do a trade. I give you drones and you give me, like, you give me your drone and you tell me what you need from my country. So it is what it is. It's better Africa industrialize itself, or rather herself. Like, we have a lot of natural resources to do this stuff. So why not do it in our own place? This is really a nice one from Ethiopia, man. Seriously.
From Addis to Abuja, African nations are starting to take notice. This isn't just a factory. It's a signal. Africa is done waiting. This drone revolution stands on a strong foundation. Over the last 2 decades, Ethiopia has invested in itself. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, railways to Djibouti, modern highways, a growing power grid, and reforms that pushed GDP growth to 8.1% in 2023. Ethiopia didn't rise overnight. It planned, it built, and now it flies.
This is really huge, man. Seriously. Skywing. Okay. This is carbon fiber, right? Okay. Bruh.
In Addis Ababa, change is everywhere. New metro lines, tech parks, green spaces.
Seriously, when it comes to Addis Ababa, they should just like, when it comes to development and growth and everything, they should just leave it to Ethiopians, man. Seriously. In the whole of Africa. Like, you can't dispute the fact when it comes to development, growth, bro. When I last visited Ethiopia, bro, it was like 3-4 years ago, right? Bruh, now Ethiopia has changed, bruh. Seriously, this is the kind of country you want to beat your chest and be like, yeah, I'm from Ethiopia, man. It is what it is. What's up? I'm from Ethiopia, right? I just wish my country, Nigeria, can do the same thing, man. Seriously. You know, Africa, see, we've grown past that stage where politicians want to loot money and take to Dubai to build infrastructure, take to America, take to other places to build infrastructure there, live in their homes. Bruh, do something. Like, use another country as an example. Take Ethiopia, for example. See what they are doing in this country. Seriously, big shout out to all Ethiopians out there, man. Seriously, you guys are the real kings and the real queen. But let's keep on going, though.
And startups lighting up the city. It's not just the political capital of Africa. It's becoming its innovation hub.
I swear to God, man. Seriously, that's fact. Bruh, can you see the roads? Huh? Can you see how clean it is? Wow. See, imagine the sky view. Like, how do you know a country is developed? When you're flying to the country, just look through the window and see the lights, see the different lights, different colors. You see the infrastructures and everything, man. Seriously, bruh, nah, man. This is something. This is something, man. Seriously, this is literally something. Ethiopia is just, oh my goodness, giving Africa a new name.
Across the continent, eyes are turning toward Ethiopia. Skywing fits into a larger movement. Africa investing in its own tech future. From Google's billion-dollar investment in digital infrastructure to Africa's push for AI and cybersecurity.
I swear to God, man.
The pieces are...
Seriously, Ethiopia is leading in terms of infrastructure, growth, and everything. Bro, they are leading. That's just the truth, man.
Coming together. And Ethiopia is leading by example. Self-reliance. Sovereignty, pride. From ancient Axum to Skywing Aeronautics, Ethiopia has always forged its own path.
That's really a
It
statement,
never bowed,
man. Seriously.
and it never will.
That's literally a
This
statement.
drone revolution is not just about machines in the sky. It's about a mindset, a future not imported but built. And for Africa, that future starts now. Final line, delivered.
Can you see how beautiful the drone is, bro? Seriously, like, man, looking at this stuff, you won't even say this stuff was produced in Africa. Unlike what they make us believe, you get me? Like, when you hear made in Africa, you look like, okay, you get me? Like, made in Africa. You think maybe the quality will be like, but you see this stuff right here now. This is top notch. This is wonderful, man. See, hearing stuff like this, it boosts my morale. You get me? Like, a lot of African citizens, Nigerians, Ethiopians, Malawians, Ghanaians, Eritreans, a lot of Africans, they've lost hope in Africa. That's just the fact, man. Everybody's like, okay, Africa can never change. It is what it is, but seeing stuff like this happening in Ethiopia, bruh. See, you get that sense of, wow, okay, I want to go back home. I want to do something. You get me? Like, this is one thing we never thought was possible. You get me? Like, once we hear drone, we think America. You get me? It's just the truth. But now, stuff like this is happening in Ethiopia. Bruh, what else? See, Ethiopia keeps surprising the world. I like the fact that they are serving as an example to the rest African country. You get me? I'm not surprised though. This was the same country that was never colonized. So what do you expect? What do you expect, bro? They are the lions of Africa, man. Seriously, what do you expect? They call them the Abesa. Ambessa, man. Seriously, these guys are lions. It is what it is. Watching this stuff, I'm just happy. Seriously, I feel blessed watching this stuff. Big shout out to all Ethiopians out there. You guys are the real kings and the real queen. And for you guys saying this stuff is a lie, it's all a charade and everything, bro, you can see for yourself. Skywing is in progress and everything is working perfectly. But it is what it is. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below for more videos like this. Until next time, I remember your boy Destiny, and we out.
Subscribe for more stories of African innovation. Africa is rising. Don't miss the journey.